locate the drain bolt on the left side of the bike. You can see it here. Remove it with a 12 mm socket. Plus material. Allow the engine oil to drain out fully. You can see. After adding engine oil, check out the engine oil level with the dipstick cap. It should be between these two marks, so it is a bit lower, so you should add little more engine oil. After adding the engine oil, tighten up the drain bolt, the dipstick. Next is the air filter, which is located above the oil filler cap. So remove. So you can see the condition of it. So it has to be changed. So let's clean it up well and move on. Add little amount of oil to the sponge and insert it.
Finally install it on the moped.
Install it and tighten the bolt.
Good.